How to delete a pin you created on Pinterest. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a pin you have created on Pinterest. To do so, first of all, open your Pinterest application on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom right, you'll be able to see your profile picture. Tap on your profile picture and this will take you to your profile page. In this page here, now you will need to navigate to your saved section to view all your saved pins. Simply select any one of the pin that you would like to delete, and once you open it, here find the specific pin that you would like to delete. Once you find it, tap on it to open it, and here you'll be able to see three dots icon in this page. Tap on this three dots icon. And now from here, you will need to select Edit Pin option. Once you select this Edit Pin, you will be taken to this editing space. Here, you'll be able to see Delete this pin option at the bottom. Simply tap on this option and now confirm it by tapping on Delete once again at the very bottom. By doing so, the pin will be permanently removed from your account and will no longer appear in your saved pins. Also, deleting a pin is permanent. Once it has been deleted, you'll not be able to recover it. So by following these steps, you should be able to delete any pin that you have created on Pinterest. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.